Hi everyone, welcome back once again on my channel. Today is Friday and right now it is 5:15 and today we are going to test drive my husband dream car. Yeah, he got a test drive for that and we are really excited to go there. I'm not that much excited because I don't know much about cars and all, but he has a really good passion for that car. It is his dream car. He always see a lot of videos and all for that, so today he got the chance to do this test drive. So yes, we are going there and we are so happy. Stay connected. Pushpendra and Sia, they has already set up in the car and now I'm going after locking up my house. And today I'm wearing these old fashioned shoes which I got from India. It's a little bit cold today, that's why I'm wearing these shoes. सिया हाय कर दो।
मैंने नहीं कर लिया।
क्यों?
मैंने नहीं कर लिया।
अभी हम लोग टेस्ला के शोरूम में पहुंच गए हैं। सिया, ये आपके लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है, बिजी करने के लिए आपको, है ना?
हाँ।
करके दिखाओ क्या करो, यहाँ से कलर सेलेक्ट करो दूसरा।
अभी घर ले जाओ।
अब टेस्ट ड्राइव करके बताना कैसा लगेगा, है ना?
चलो साथ में।
Yes. Excited for you.
Okay. So can we sit
Yeah.
with daughter?
Yeah. You mind if I sit on the passenger side seat? You guys sit in the back. Is that okay?
Yeah, we.
Okay, she'll start to sit up back.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Okay, and
So
car
that way I
seat?
can show you the controls.
Okay. And what about the car seat?
You need car seat?
Does she have a car seat? Yeah. Does she need it?
If I belt out with her, with me, is that okay?
Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yep.
And there. All right. So you use this one right here. Yep. Up, down, side to side. Do you guys have a
So after getting free from the test drive, we went for Starbucks coffee as we could not have our tea in evening because of the busy schedule.
खाना बैठ खाना आराम से।
Wait, I don't.
Yeah.
कैंडी खा रही हूँ
Now it's around 7:40 after having our coffee. Now we are heading back to home. So this is like it's almost getting dark. As it is a Friday evening, so I'm feeling lazy to cook, so my husband and me decided to order a pizza. And last time we ordered from Pizza Hut, so this time we will be trying Domino's. So Sia is also waiting for her slice of pizza. So Sia had 1/4 slice of pizza, and she was not that much hungry because today she had her lunch little late. So now she's having some milk and cereal. So after we all finished up the eating part, now I was clearing up the space because my husband was searching a movie, so we had a plan to watch a movie. And movie time with your husband is the best time which you can have on the weekends after having your dinner. So yeah, this is the time. He's searching a good movie and I will make Sia sleep and we will enjoy the movie together. From a long time we have not seen any movie in theaters because Sia don't let us watch. She gets irritated in between and then we have to leave the movie and stand at the gate. So this becomes more irritating. That's why we stopped going to theaters, and this is the only option left to watch movie on Netflix on the weekends or on Amazon Prime. So yeah, life is this is now. So thank you very much for watching. I will be back in another vlog and stay connected.